Do you know how fully automated assembly and welding are achieved without any manual intervention? The process begins by importing the 3D model of the component into the GBZZ operating system. The system analyzes the geometry and automatically generates task sequences for assembling robots, welding robots, and associated virtual systems. Initially, the welding robot captures high-precision images of the steel profile to extract the dimensional and positional data, which is then fed into the GBZZ system. Based on this data, the system instructs the assembly robot to retrieve the first stiffener plant and accurately position it inside the steel profile according to the 3D model. Once the placement is verified, the welding robot performs initial tack welding. Subsequently, the assembly robot continues with the installation of the remaining stiffeners, following the model-driven coordinates. The entire workflow from detection, positioning, and assembling to welding is executed autonomously without requiring any human intervention.